Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, firmware v2, X and battery above 50% because unreliable power causes drops. Next, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, then pair the Hylos Roam within 10 meters. Once paired, open the Hylos Roam app and sign in or create an account. Grant the requested permissions so the app can manage connections. Make sure to set device name and baseline preferences now, since that prevents confusion later and speeds up subsequent workflows. You now perform the core setup. First, calibrate sensors from settings right arrow device, right arrow calibrate. Follow the 3-step on-screen guide to align GPS and accelerometer. Once done, configure roaming rules. Set a geofence radius, a timeout in seconds, and fallback network priority so connections switch predictably. Then test with a 5 to 10 minute walk to confirm automatic handoff and keep latency under 100 ms. If handoff delays occur, lower timeout. You finish by saving and syncing all settings and exporting a local backup or syncing to the cloud so you can restore quickly. Next, run a full system check. Inspect connectivity, confirm firmware versions match, and check battery health. If something fails, first reboot both the Hylos Roam and the app. This clears transient states. If problems persist, clear the app cache and repair the device. That resolves most pairing and handshake errors. Finally, rerun the test walk to validate fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.